Good day, everyone. Especially to Ma'am Roslyn Gutas. Good day, Ma'am. So, our topic for today, guys, is about the element of arts. By the way, I am at three reporters, me and my partner Jeannie Rosacena and Krisha Lianis. So let's start. The element of arts are stylistic features that are included within an art phase to help the artist communicate. The seven most common elements include lines, shape, texture, form, space, color, and value, with the addition of mark making and materiality. These are the seven elements of art, guys. No, so you can say the picture is the lines, shape, form, space, textures, and value and color. The element of line, the element of art line. So, what define a line? A line connects two points and can be go on forever. It is made by the pointed tools such as a pen, crayon, marker, paintbrush, and etc. It can create shape, textures, and variety and art depending on how it is used. It can also create a sense of depth depending on how thick or thin you make them. Lines are everywhere. So, ang lines ano murag na nagato ang life no bisag asa ra. So there are the five types of lines. So that you can see the picture, guys, is this is the vertical line. So the horizontal line and the zigzag line, diagonal line, and curve. So one is the vertical lines. The vertical lines, these lines move up and down without a slant and can give the appearance of height because they are perpendicular to the earth, extended upward towards the sky. So that's are the vertical lines. So next is the horizontal line. Horizontal line, this line move right to left and suggests a feeling of rest or repose because object object parallel to the earth are at rest. So these are the horizontal line. Next is the diagonal lines. The diagonal lines are neither vertical nor horizontal and can be a feelings of movement. Object in a diagonal position feels unstable because they are either about to fall or are already in motion. This is the diagonal lines, guys. No. So the curved lines of a lines can convey energy. Soft, shallow curves recall the curves of the human body and often have a pleasing sensual quality. So that you can see the picture is this is the curved lines, guys. Next is the zigzag lines. This line is land and are diagonal lines connected at its point. This line can be for poetry, action, and excitement. So that's makita raman sa picture, guys, no. So unsaya ang zigzag lines, no, pero connected yun siya. The amplified lines. This is the picture of implied lines. So the implied lines, guys, are the lines that are suggested by changes in color, tone, and texture or by the edge of shape. It is very simple composition, but the bold changes in color and texture and each section of the photograph help to create a sense of the skill of his desert's landscape. So, mo na siyang implied lenses, no? Not line implies direction gases. So, that you can see the picture, guys, is kita naman, no? So, next is the lines use create emphasis. So, makita naman, guys, no? So, next is the lines. Lines are expressive. So, the lines are expressive, guys, are lines. Expressive lines are crude, adding an organic, more dynamic character to a work of arts. Expressive lines are often rounded and follow the undetermined path. So next is the next is the second element of arts is the shape. So let's proceed the second element of arts, guys, the shape. So a two-dimensional space defined by age. There are the two types of shape, geometric and organic, also known as the free form. So first is the geometric shape. These are the shape you already know and have names for. You may learn about this shape and match as well. So some example include square, circle, triangle, and hexagon. So that you can see the picture, guys, this is the geometric shape: square, rectangle, the circle, oval, triangle, pentagon, hexagon and octagon, cube, sphere, cylinder, cone, rectangular frame, and pyramid. So next is the organic shape. The organic shape are not so precious and don't have a set for of rule. For instance, a square has four equal sides. Many of these preform shapes are found in nature. For example, including the outline of the leaf of the shape, rainwater makes and a puddle. So you can see the picture, guys, is found to the uh, nature. Okay. Next is the shape is in all types of art. Some artists like Mondrian and Mero base their art just on shape. So the Pikachu use and the Cubist period. So the Cubist period, guys, is the Cubist focus on a form like the cylinder, sphere, and the cone to represent the natural world. So that's our the Cubist period. Next is the shape used for optical art as well. So the shape is used in optical art as well, guys, is used to describe things that relate to how you see of optical art works. In a similar way, the artist use shape, colors, and pattern and special ways to create image and look at if they are moving or blurring. Blurring. So makita ra sa picture, guys, no, mura siya og blurred kung tanawon. So next, shape can be used in abstract. So can be used in abstract. For example, guys, is still life with three pairs. The primary abstract shape include the basic masses of the spheres and long. Then rectangle that forms the front edge of the tabletop. So makita ra sa picture guys, no, this is the abstract art. So next is the shape can also be used to make art more realistic by breaking an image down into basic shape early in the process of drawing. So this is the example of the shape can be used of make the realistic guys, no. So next is there is an unlimited amount of ways to shape can be used in art. So daghan tag makuan guys, no, daghan tag mapilian nung so gamiton nato is called unlimited, no. So the objective learn identified two types of shape in art. The product I will create a phase of network utilizing geometric and organic shape. Using the roller and the block permanent marking, you will create a series of overlapping geometric and organic shape. You will color or fend. This is the highlight the new shape that are forms when the overlapping is used. And this is the last part of my assigned topic about the element of art, guys. So now let's proceed to the next reporter, Jean Rosasinia. Jenny, go ahead. Jenny. Thank you, guys. God bless.